How to break the stigma on HIV. By knowing the facts about HIV, you can save yourself a lot of worries and help others get the correct information. Myths and misinformation increase the stigma and discrimination surrounding people living with HIV. To break the stigma, we need education. AIDS is a condition, while HIV is a virus, that may lead to the development of AIDS. You cannot get HIV through kissing, hugging, bathing, sharing food, toilet seats, insect bites, sweat, sneezing, and cough. HIV is not a life sentence. HIV treatment has advanced throughout the years, and patients can expect to live long and happy lives. Many people don't show signs of any symptoms. As they say, prevention is better than cure. But how will you protect yourself and your partner from HIV? The answer is simple. Love responsibly.